Hello everyone. It's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com, and today I'm going to introduce the brand new collection all the way from Australia. Our friends down under have created a lovely new collection. This is from Uniquely Creative, and it is called Paperbark Blooms, and it's got lovely colors, and as you can see, it is a beautiful collection. So let's take a look at it really quick. We're going to jump right in and get started actually with the 12 by 12 so that we get an idea for what the collection entails. Now I've already removed this from the plastic, but just as a reminder, the back of the 12 by 12 front cover has some freebies for you, so do not throw these away. And you can see lovely tabs, envelopes filled with all kinds of goodies, book spines, and then gorgeous florals. You've got some single florals and then some clusters, lots of leaves and greenery. So really pretty elements. Don't throw that front cover away. Then in the collection, you are going to get a total of 16 double-sided papers. There are 2 of each of the 8 different papers. So that way, if you love side A, but also, of course, love side B, well, then wonderful. You do not have to choose which one you want to use because you've got 2, or maybe you just love that front one and you want to use both, right? So lots of great papers in here. Let me make some room. And then finally, we have these 2 beautiful pages, which have lots of great ephemera. Of course, you have a beautiful background as well. And then, of course, this single is also, this 12 by 12, excuse me, is also available as a single in our online store. So if you want to get additional of the beautiful postage stamps or the books or the bingo cards, or this is just a great cover for a mini book, if you want to get any of those additional elements, just know that we do have this as a single page as well. Okay, so that is the main 12 by 12 collection. It is also available in a 6 by 6, and the difference is going to be that the 6 by 6 includes 32 of the papers. That means you get double what you get in the 12 by 12. And I will show you just so you get an idea for the sizing. Note that the back of the 6 by 6 does not have the extra bit. Only the back of the 12 by 12 has that extra bit of ephemera. But you can see that it is the exact same pages, except now they are just a little bit, everything is just a little bit smaller. So you have the same lovely collection, all the papers that you've seen, just resized. Okay. And I should also point out that there is, let me find the page 1 second. There is also the ephemera, but you're not getting the exact quantity, the same quantity as you got in the 12 by 12. You're still getting some of the ephemera, which is the lovely postage stamps and the beautiful sentiments and clusters, that little mini cover or ATC size. So you could use it also as an artist trading card as well. Okay, so that is the 6 by 6. Now, in addition to that, we now have coordinating. We also have the coordinating cardstock bundle. That includes 10 double-sided coordinating cardstocks, 12 by 12s that are 250 GSM. So you get 2 of each of the colors that will complement and are perfectly coordinated, the colors skew, right, for the collection. So you get the wine, and you'll see that there's 2 different tones. You'll get the rose, you'll get the mocha, you get the sea foam, and you get the pine. So let me show you those as well. So here are the two. However, if you flip it over, you can see that you're going to get two different tones as well. So once again, you can choose to just use both of these, or you could choose to expand your collection even more by adding side B. So here's side A, here's side B. Okay. Here's side A and side B, side A and side B, and then finally these beautiful two colors. Gorgeous. Okay, so now we also have the ability to get the coordinating bundle as well. Now, in addition to that, there are also these two cut aparts. So these are the sentiments, and you can see it's got all kinds of everything that you need with uh, things like made with love to birthday wishes and so much more. And then in addition, we also have the cut aparts, the blooms, right? Which is the essentials, the coordinating ephemera. Now this is printed probably on like 250 GSM. It's pretty thick paper, which is really nice. And you get the tabs. So this is the exact copy as this. The difference is that this is included in the 12 by 12 as a freebie, and it is lighter cardstock, where this is really thick cardstock. So beautiful to have the option of having both as well. In addition to that, with this release, we also have another one of the Slimline fold-out albums. Now, if you've never worked with these, they are fabulous. These come pre-scored, pre-folded, and even pre-gusseted. So they have really nice gussets to them. We did do one together, so there is a video on our channel, and I will try to put the link in the description box down below for that class where we crafted along and use this gorgeous folio, not this one, another one from one of the other lines, and made the most fun and beautiful interactive folio ready for photos and so much more. So these are also available now for this collection. Then we have, I'm going to hold on to, you know what, let's do the ephemera last. Let's look at the stamps. Of course, mine are different than yours packaging. So I'll pull this out so that we can see it outside of the packaging and maybe not too much glare. We also have this beautiful stamp made with love, wishing you all things fabulous, keep shining, hello lovely, and more. So all those great sentiments that we tend to need just about every single time we make a project or make a card. There are also the heart. These are the stitched nesting scallop heart die sets. And we have a beautiful set of nesting dies. These range from the smallest being this one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each set you have the stitched heart that's going to go in the bottom, right? That's going to be your mat. And then you have the scallop, which is going to be the outside. Of course, that's if you want to use them together. You can use them completely individually, and you can even interchange the size of the mats that you want to use. The smallest here is going to be approximately 1 1/8 inches. The largest one is going to be approximately 3 3 5/8 of an inch. So beautiful, beautiful nesting dies also available with this release. We also have this other release, and this one is the uppercase alphabet dies. And again, those great, great fonts. Great fonts that we always look forward to having. Also, we have the, what do they call, not masks. You could use them as masks. These are the frames. So these are great for your layouts. So when you're doing your, say your layout, if you're doing a 12 by 12, you could also cut them down to make them smaller. Let's say you are creating a layout. You could simply put these over, and that will be your starting point for your photos. And then you'll come in and tuck in all your ephemera and bling and all the additional goodies. So these are really, really wonderful to use if you do scrapbooking, or as I mentioned, if you want to cut them down and use them in smaller albums, they're great for that as well. And then we have this new one, which is called, let's see, it's called Paperbark Blooms Decorative Base Lover. I believe that's what it's called. Sorry, my glasses and my eyes are not perfect, but you can see just how beautiful that is. It just really gives you a spot where you've already started. You're not starting with a blank slate, not to mention with the beautiful papers. And once again, you can trim these down if you need to. Now let's take a look at the ephemera. I'm going to use this side here to show you, because there are two different packs of ephemera. One is going to be the botanicals. This is the floral creative cuts. And then this one is the just a paper, yeah, Paperbark Blooms creative cuts. This one's the florals. So let's take a look at the florals first. Okay, now in addition to that one, let's grab another 12 by 12 and flip it over as well. We have got the creative cuts with some different elements. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so hopefully that also has given you an overview of just how much ephemera you're going to get in those packs as well, and to see the beautiful collection in its entirety. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comments down below. Of course, you know that our online store is going to have these products plus a ton more uniquely creative products, because we just restocked quite a few of your favorites, like the mini pink paper trimmer, the pink paper distressors. Oh my goodness, we restocked. All the photo mats are back in stock. Those are super popular. Actually, I had to fill my personal supply. I still have them here next to me, so I haven't even put them away. You can see that I've actually restocked my personal stash. The photo stamp is back in. All of the stamps, the little stamps are back in. The great photo mat packs are also back in. The folios are back in as well. So there's quite a bit of restock in addition to some other new products. So we certainly hope you'll go and check them out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends so that they know where they can find these amazing products as well. And we look forward to hearing your comments. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you on this next one. Bye.